from Our Lady School Bangor.
We have been looking at this site because we would like to turn it into a nice garden for our school. This is where our new school learning garden will be.
All the children in our school will get to do work here. When we first got here, it was overgrown and messy.
We have found that the area is not very safe, and we were astonished by how overgrown it was. Lots of people have been throwing their rubbish in the site.
In conclusion, we think that it's very overgrown and unsafe for wildlife. We are very worried.
We've had a discussion about what it's like for people who live there, if they would like to see lovely nature or they would see the big fat mess. Already, the CCG have already started to help by cutting it down and clearing out all the rubbish.
Thank you for watching.